Basically, here at Eurosatory, we are showing the defense electronics only as part of the combat vehicle equipment. And you can see here our electronic jamming system, which is intended for jamming of improvised explosive devices remotely controlled by radio signals. Our jammer has 300 watts, actually, watts the power, but also we have now in development the whole family, including the more powerful jammers against up to 1 kilowatts of jamming signals, which is very important power, practically protecting the convoy or actually making for the jamming of signals of enemies, particularly in anti-terrorist, anti-guerrilla activities of modern warfare. Also showing here our PR-15, the radar. It is the infantry detecting radar, which has the range of 6 to 7 kilometers with against actually the walking man with weapon, average actual distance, and also has some, of course, about 20 kilometers range for different kind of vehicle. And definitely our defense electronics also belonging to families of our new generations of mortar, artillery, medium caliber fuses, electronic time fuses, and proximity fuses. We have also the development of our artillery electronic goniometer for artillery, and also the range of artillery fire control systems, and also weapon fire control system based on those coupling with electronic time fuse for air burst ammunition, 40 caliber by 46 also, and for air defense air burst ammunition, the recent development, and proximity fuses for the standard artillery round, also the rocket artillery fuses. Also, defense electronics is represented by component subsystems, of course, for our Alas Spider, actually the land attack family of missiles with range of up to 10 to 25 kilometers. Also, the range of our laser-guided missiles based on conversion of our air-launched missile. M16 based on laser designator guided missile, which has ability for lock-on after in the flight. We are also producing the small arms. As you can see, a wide range of small arms. We have produced small arms for many years, also in Western and Russian calibers, and also from assault rifles, modern Picatinny rails, also for light machine guns, heavy machine guns, general purpose machine guns, sniper rifles, anti-material rifles, modern M12 anti-material rifle. And also we are producing large scale of personal equipment tests like ballistic body armor, different shapes, different configurations with NIJ standard protection level, normally 3A or just the plate carrier, with also appropriate families of plates with NIJ standard level 3, level 4, of course, with some intermediate levels as like level 3 plus, 3 double plus, according to some energy standard, or let's say the intermediate standards based on energy level 4 and energy 04. Also, we are, as you can see, producing large scale of embassy equipment, active carbon for embassy equipment. It is a very important part. Also producing for many clients all over the world, including the most recent clients. The Lazar vehicle has a very wide range of actual, also the combat use. In this exhibition, we are showing typical APC configuration, armed with 50 caliber, 12.7 millimeter caliber remote control weapon station. The basic and unique ability of this vehicle is ability for observation and shooting from the vehicle inside, with using of ballistic windows and ballistic actually the windows, and also the rifle holes, which is providing for the crew for situation awareness, actual real-time situation awareness and observation, and also the shooting from the vehicle in self-defense mode, in mode of defense against enemy ambushes, etc. It's very important because it's allowing the infantry to be confident and to be more self-confident, and also to practically to jam enemy to normally aim to those weapons when somebody is shooting to you from the vehicle. You cannot aim your weapons so easily as like in the different situations. Also, this Lazar vehicle, a military vehicle, also featuring with very good anti-tank mine protection, level 2A, 2B for Miloš, 3A, 3B for Lazar. Also has the big clearance, has also the V-shape, has also the huge protection against the ballistic threat as like minimum level 3 plus, also the level 4 and 5 could be also available, and with different kind of armor protection systems. So it is representing our achievement in the area of combat vehicles. You're showing here at the exhibition the unmanned helicopter, which the basic idea is to make the modern reconnaissance and strike platform, very versatile platform, able for making of different combat tasks for observation and also the combating of terrorists and other actual targets, armed with iron GPS guided bombs. It's a light actually, small diameter, light bombs, which has the weight of only about 10 kilos, but which is effective against different kinds of targets with using the steel balls, actually pre-commented warhead, giving about 30 meters of target effectiveness against soft skin targets.